Hi, hello, welcome to Manama India AtoZchannel. Today recipe is breakfast recipe idiyappam or noolappam. Take a vessel, add 400 ml water and plus 100 ml coconut milk, 1 tablespoon salt. Flame on high flame. When it is boiled, off the flame. Then add 400 gram rice powder. Then mix it well. This is the texture. Take a sevanadi vessel or idiyappam maker. Fill the dough in the vessel. Then close it. Put a idli cooker to the gas stove. Add water. Then close it. Take 2 spoons of grated coconut. Then open the idli cooker. Idli stand plates. Remove. Touch sunflower oil. First set grated coconut in the idli plates. Press the filled idiyappam maker. One by one, fill it. Okay, now it's ready. Return the idli cooker. Then close it. Wait for 15 minutes for cooking. Okay, now it is ready. Remove the plates. Carefully to change a serving bowl. Tasty and delicious idiyappam is ready. Thank you for watching.